YouTube channel chere subscribing kono jima bilo ka you wen no kono yeah man
We good?
I'm ever ready yeah me yeah everything 10 over 10
Okay. Yes, lu ako yung matika following one kamo ikan kamuti tin any one wa kelly u dano madit chiel in northern Uganda, Uganda, Africa, kidong iwilobolo. Watike bad man solo bad man management.
yes la date
Yes, the boy rata kila det.
after boss about date not alone boss about date because come the one I don't take a leading one no dock a background
But leading no make when they were there the board one. So we were foot pe wili come and one of the football to yapu you when want it in the get. So the one me of we matek to twal tien me wate kili live command ala dit ene no commentaire to twal but olo to tien fixing it for chaw mo we olo to wan yang lo ka chele yo ki bot en yes luak mi work sinin that
work you need to need
ana ti mabe
aha ina kana yiti mabe because yiti la member me work so
yeah
nyoro yari kumien kana yiti mabe nyoro ni jemi ti mabe no Ivan ke bunya gwere no cha kwot ma yo down pingi yom yes that work when to mabe I'm telling you come work I'm making sure ni down mo be my pingi yom because life is short ina ka fu ko mahala worry e bed ka chiel and so luak mo kana kiti life na no wakan ya kiti machwingi yom because fini pe beru yomini ngono chendo duk tie bang
yeah
chendo duk tie bang mawe one maybe ko ro kono ngo my government chale wa chendo making sure ni chendo doyo but declaring both down ni chendo tie idi tie mai wa chendo doyo makome kinana we po beru yoda wa chendo mo ka chendo o chendo tie mo doyo maka emiro chere chone work wheelchairs yes saving you money saving anytime they are getting the money yes kai saving ali bachelo mi ali badek saving million achelo mi million adek saving million a power mi million pia adek chene diet chene ne chene babad man solo chene pangaro me kana chene te one ma o aki West Nile actually lao Karamoja region yes but the creative industry inyoka wa creative industry inyolo we mar mo mata kagi winyi ki wachini kono gimone tie gitame is about them but work creative art is not about musicians but music is just one domain but it got a one list of 9 domains ma watiki performing arts kawa performing arts no in materiality mo comedy jomano bitimo gym life on stage theater magitimo acting what do the visual arts joma yubu weaves every day joma team fashion design watiki software innovators we have a lot of them registered joma team software joma developing apps shall make a tune kono doing support services so take joma supporting jemi manu tie ka time chalo MCs watiki chalo security bouncers ma supporting 1G yes talent managers chalo yung ba na bill ka tikil we mo kana ka you fall under talent manager yes watiki chalo and chalo the bloggers when we are in the creative industry so dara when are welcome chalo ni tie dara chalo tie because okay we care for the creative arts our people you know the Uganda we have suffered for so long and this is the only time the government has recognized us for the very first time in the history of Northern Uganda. We have never seen money direct in the government. Malaki carving middlemen, you know, doing direct your account. Doing direct your account, man, and message ko will actually boom, we are merobale. Oh, and that again. I knew the message now. We don't need be when I was zero, so doing away my actually giving it back.
So manyote iyanete wa Kenyo wati life i Badman solo TikTok
he work creative arts
yeah man so ramotiare streaming ki
live TikTok komedi ni man wati live
nyang Jimmy wen kor ketati
what is state of the northern Uganda address Uganda while watika neno jimba de tine creative industry fina yo mutwal ne umayar matiri eni he has accelerated amji po nene kamera taka timu interview but because of me supporting Dana Makian command joining one because do mo kana team watching Jimmy ni wachon mo kana gana wa wachon Skylight Promotions wala ya wachon is a registered company as a registered company mo kana wang mer down cut America Jimmy ki bolo ko but they are not registered so wala ya Jimmy ni wachon but you know yum kadano matino they are coming to the industry we have people like you who have come up watiki dano mo kana chala spraga they came up watiki into deep promotions gi watiki MG gi watiki small links gi so right now we have a lot of bloggers who have come. Machunga yum ni be ka ketika ilo industry wa be no be. Yeah. What is life and then down jala mixola tie life ka watching a work creative arts page watiki pagulu promotions mero promoter madit pa Foxy Boy yes. Before one when one tie.
Birdman Solo 2026 na migo chaka nini. Pian wane wa chaka kikwe madit tutwal idiba makwen ene dan weng ke wachine gukaro kikwe ni magibunya bunya keken.
2026 ya ape mamer mada. Ngeo garo ba yo petore. Garo ba yo matwa gatari yele kwe wa yawe ruwa mala mal. Wa yawe ki kwe ko machil launching sako mamegwa. You don't mean a word. Whatever no mean a word. But the legendary artist. No we will ko ngo me ni hope. We are okay now. The way on that day my you be like underground. Fingu beru you mate akotwa. One time idea one my arama diet opio to well because anti legend in the industry. We are over 20 years. We were young so I know. People power recognizing down my chon magi beru way magi thing here my pole. Because we will we are kind of got frustrated. You know, okay, I don't get time don't put your maro game, okay, I don't get dog way char, but we look okay away no you know. And they came and we supported them, we awarded them legendary status, and they are making money, they're having business. They're not chalo chidi man, we bang okay you we young chon, they're not chalo Ochad Raymond, they're not chalo BHL Bongo. People who had lost hope and they got awards and are very, very happy. Right now they're getting a lot of business and they're moving on. They're registered with work. Right now we're empowering them with affordable loans. Getting BHR, getting company, get shooting video, get my way. Get our team again. We're supporting Joma Youngchon. People in industry. We're wedding from Lao, from Karamoja, from West Nile, down to Brazil Rule, Professor Maros, Mr. D, Kengbon Town. Very many Boy King, those people who sang long time and they lost hope. Sherry Princess, the numbers are so many. And for us, we never awarded only the musicians. We awarded different categories. But in any bloggers will be busy to teach. See, down Magia, who gave many young ones, into deep view, meaning award, MC Ricky Piggy, man, DJs, MCs, fashion designers, Jomatoro movies. Yes, but I don't recognize again because Pierre industry may want at large. Like name only one specific thing. Like name down my contributing. You put the way musicians they are very good people. Because again get how many things about them. Kagi imo cannot be no when you kill show kagi no chain. We give will come down mo kwanyagi. Konila way working in know their factors. Bero chalo kaiti to there. Jimmy Tiema we hold that bero mame. Chalo gitungulu kwa mo there green pepper contributing factor we hold that bero mame. But again which will don't down me now the final output. Bero chalo way ini biro ki way ngaro mo cho ni way. En ngat ba choy we ni one songwriter. Ucho ni we mame ini chalo studio. Ini chalo studio watike down ma go piano go mo. Me no the producer. Utimu iwe itimu we in mixing ki mastering work terrible sound engineer work mastering on be me no went down matika contributing away you know ingeka we to be the team we te radio ni ter what DJs ki promoters DJs go away promoting way go away radio way ngene jo anyway they are contributing to your success inge don we bero met promoters your event organizer go ni team bien yo bien ban maybe oh you pop marriage broke my lane here no designers more beige boutique town get dressing you know fashion designer anyway now what they recognizing you know in the work oh karo in here always stage MC kwa the microphone do pela we ma lunga kana do in stage do ma down don't change now MC anyway you have to recognize DJ child making sure playing where the song be ma made we you need to get down when down low. So that's so you can see for us as work we have recognized all those people because they play a key role in the life of an artist or a creative person. You know. So there are people who are artists, chala magigoi chal, getting painting, mero when one recognizing them in the music industry. You know, they are very important in the creative arts.
Yes, kay neno ikin category ma yikwano kini normally beda akron be kunyanu futi titamo neni solo way awa chikimi but wo kwano tiki category kuno ko bon tim ngo wentie pia wa wini kan ngo neni wa wedding wa jo money command fashion ngo money command wati wini MC money way money no money command but wenti within music for it.
Yes, ingeo bere gen matime ene ka yete rudek kala yen gang ma mi kay ti yen pe bi tiu de ki cher me pieto mere dara ma wo manu tiene pio cham so one kilo member mo chone bot wa ma pia wa cher wo ena we ke neno there are very few talents ma gwa pe chu wa recognize ena wa nelo member anyway men are going to watch the join role gigi no whatever recognize him R&B marketing those are people who have registered in work that DJ la muna gi that look at these are people who are registered in Work Creative Arts Foundation and they are active that man will shares man you know when you buy shares you become the owner or you become you better get one in the organization because this is a private organization is a private company registered by guarantee you're in a member no you take it well and the company no registered by shares. Me no get my federation time. Me no enjoy any do wig no with the company. Me no pay me any time. Then I get to take it doing but in the member in you tell well one to recognize no me go away ka in join work here. You register, you will be recognized, you'll be awarded. There are very many benefits our members are getting. That is what we are doing. We are making sure our people, they are fashion designers whom we may not know. They are there who have registered. Pangeoka ini beri yuk ini yes. I get it now. Danoma Paul, but watika now. Danoma Titi, Danoma registering Kedra, Danoma T embracing the idea of the creative industry and the creative arts at large. They are getting awards. We have the film people who are awarded. We have the category gospel music now. We are awarded there because political we are going to tell me like dear marriages we will mirror car chana can paying anyway like go away car you know. So we're making sure we like a money. Keep embracing again. Take a cool go away recognizing where we like. Yes.
Yes, billion a cielo doña ne buan.
Billion a cielo doña ne buan. Message a message nene con. We tira daro. Take a bit. Take a man. No go aja. Log go back a can. Because stealing doña ne be mabera can can we over level. I think I know. Billion a cielo doña. Get a win wide. I don't know zeros doom chai. President. Yes, doña Gina Howard.
Yes, zeros a deal. It's true.
Well, the way you probably because what the way Maggie when you give no bill, the way car child, my idea no work. You better come home at Tachalong. The town is Jimmy Wayne because they are greedy people. There are some musicians, but Wayne, there are some who are greedy people. Get me Jimmy's about them. Here, look, solo, only more because. Pay Beroka, Jimmy Wayne Peggy responding yam, look yam. They were Africans, American Jimmy Church, Jimmy Church, young money. All America pushing para, government recognizing. Mama pay a mother could be the government and Uganda near one. You know, child work to us foundation. Now, well, we're recognizing a pay over you are. You can't be politicizing game. Oh, work at the book position. Oh, but picking any government, any government. Is of the people for the people by the people. Remember the definition from SST from one. Even you are the government also yourself because one or two mature about government. So when you take a contributing economy, one tell events organizers can you will use chant na iye chulo you will use kekere you will use kind border to that ya kele you border any take a chulo tax. You repeat my will tax the government. More ma pay tax the government. Dana matika keleni kilo dana you duao ke chapati because of you tie what take a contributing economy in Uganda. Why can the government give back to us? tinga da bar ki penye yo mabe ket na mi kere choch pe chere kame kai danga kamera dong ki chwele chiante no pe bero kuma so it Jimmy which was program a proposal which actually is not all about the 1 billion is just a bit of it not circle but the whole proposal of the Workative Arts Foundation is talking of 49 billion shillings because we want to do a lot of things like making a creative hub in all the sub-regions West Nile bet ki meg actually bet ki meg ki lao bet ki meg Karamoja bet ki meg because we know only one down chalo West Nile actually lao Karamoja one we understand ourselves we are not like Jomoni chani ni malo lagani because for laga get a gilu that is it one ki tipe lo karba light na na ma chen ki bioro ki gamo one way no chente enemy te chente para laga chente ni chente me Uganda manye ni ka kiti mi one chalo Uganda mi ro chat equally equity what down way penny what deglo laga yo mo ke but we made chente be what down way let everyone benefit but me no repeat it but permati actually when made it the benefit actually pe me no repeat era we opola chulo dong ya na ngito ko walo tela ba police na ko ke ni ri kama mi lo pe chulo kama mi lo pe chulo so those are the things what ka team mo well di mi pe biro be
yes solo mi afo we matek to twal I met a giveaway between my unit kere kita chende ni dong tie ya kan waramon yang kong wie chela rio mo kita chene ni tikati kere pian ngar mo ro be kan ni kawanero mo berwe 8 quarter to walk tigulu
yes
then district mukene ni offices the footy mayro ben wen foot jang walk then chene ni ka yinde mer de na mer bien kigulu
now afo la penye ni pia tek mada headquarters for work tie kama kelwani plot 13B Airfield Road meno eniti ba de gala yibi ti adjacent manna kwenye opposite Oriat Independent Hospital meno the headquarters but we have our regional coordinators in all these regions because we are moving step by step that 49 billion ma we requesting from the government and for us we don't only look at the government we have partners which proposal to the European Union which proposal to different stakeholders NGOs founders outside donors of which some of them are now responding we have like the Mastercard Foundation who are actually going to give us about $1 million $1 million that is around 4 billion now we call you one market to 12 making sure ni Jimmy no be on my bed now watika ecosystem or watika tikumbe with Pal Bank ma actually is I think is even complete by now. My PAL Bank, they have offered us a system, is around 350 million shillings because we are partnering with them because they know we have the money and we are using PAL Bank as our banking partner. Because of our circle and people, the rate at which people are saving, they have developed for us an app, Market Wendy. That Wendy system, you can access money from wherever you are. Quantity Karamoja, quantity West Nile, quantity Lao. Just with your phone, money you download the app.
Within Uganda, keke?
Yes, exactly. This is the app. Matie, members, because no, you can register information when you integrating a database. Money you can bear saving in the amount, you can just do it within tapping on your phone. You don't need to travel from Koboko to Gulu. You don't need to travel from Kabong to Gulu. It didn't anyway, but you do it within your reach. It didn't anyway. But what is simplifying? No any better technology could be, you know. Well, Jimmy, what in a very smooth way. Yeah, Jimmy, more when you wait, you are whatever.
Yes, so China any manutaka in a car outside Uganda, Peramo.
In all the way, because now internet system is for the world. So once the internet is there, anything can happen. Just like you see in what is called as a Visa ATM machine. For example, my Visa of Equity Bank, I can go and withdraw money in Absa Bank. I can go and withdraw money in any ATM with the Visa card. And this is what this is an app which uses internet. But when you can access money wherever you are in the world because it's an app, madam integrated on the phone.
Yeah. Yes, Badman solo te kan tien begame wa la penyo en kor ke kor pe ien na gwag no iberu ki la penyo twini walege ni bet chwa kenyo jemi no be o tebu ni kor ke kor keta meta kere ke kuma now solo waneno chalo megi wa mituwa chalo kara moja gini tinene now jone eni tama ngo mo biro iwi mi join gen biro chali sai tunka eni un ma chali wo yan ke ne ano mo ngar mo ro wen pingo bot wuok gidare kem go gamu kara moja gi kwen gu tor kenyu gamu lao ku kele konge ku gamu ko nga yo kele an jo mu kene association mu kene tie mano giem gi logo pe giem ni ken tenene ya an ka bene beside eni kay nero keta billion achelo donyo kere ni chire cha ko we ni chene ni mora ke tie pa kara moja ke miyo pat chene ni mora ke tie pa West Nile ke miyo pat ke je gien wen fu gitu ka biro en gulu ni yo gien wen ke yup tio mer go bien gulu
for matek pe ineno West Nile actually lao kara moja ka ineno wano ni ai kien wa idi neno wa tawo ni perwa chachel perwa rom wa ka ineno West Nile unye neno kara moja ki actually chanti madir ye ineno ke wachini actually wano chan kwa namba 2 no kara walubo ko kara moja so you know region one development period to now work one achieving gana wa mero no mero wa ripe ka chiel ka ripe ka chiel ma wumren vision uti chiel jini beru yo era work na ripe wa ka chiel wa jini beru yo but one po kwa association mo ke kan ne beru tie me gamo chende wa katika association ma pool mukena matie Gulu City mukena manoti be kara moja ka gen magira monongo coin unyo chente iyo mo ke kan kika mo ke kan be wano mero gen manoti ka bin region konya matek mada because we are region when kiaro malo you know is the board the bargaining power you know but one we also don't restrict ko iti kan no pay bien board no ingeo ke wachini membership na association yene yer me beri take dia is voluntary chalo board work is free entry free exit wa kana kar ma chonde jomo kene ni biro ti ngemo kene be gidi za wa no po mero pe di ngato mo ke kan ke tama me it na because jomo kene ki bela tamu chene mo ko bi work but mo chene bi work of course there are very many mo kene ke kan no do but when procedures are there but we are welcoming down when because in Nigeria me ko malame Uganda you are not restricting it to anyone everyone is welcome because we still have a lot of support which we are going to get. That 1 billion was just something very small, but we have a lot of fund we are going to get. Like for us, me as a promoter, we met with the president of the State House. Obero promoters me I was representing Northern Uganda. The deal of Obero, the deal of me, 10 billion silly. But again, away, you can't balance the gilu. Give a coupe, give me the chain of being board. Yeah, come on, make it. Well, okay, it greedy. It was a billion a day. But one way, no one tell work, region may work and Eastern, men work too. West Nile actually now Karamoja and Teso. What time when one promoters Makani, Chante wa ubi direct. Isako Madon were establishing Makaluni work. So we demanded that we need about 2 billion shillings. But when teaching about promoter, why call billion one on your because on the work we have all the stakeholders. Watiki the way, Watiki promoters, Watiki everyone in the total business. So chain any because one public government one no what is association for promoters, but the one know that Uganda Promoters Association. But don't what time when it's sako team at establish and don't work. So don't down and go down with you work, chat through none of promoters, or now full of majala did low bill farm make actually build a woo. Or may you that billion of beach. Many about content creators, Dara Chalo won bloggers on it. Billion of beach any Cheneca, la dillo me, we were me sako. So Chene car around me, pay me any bolo Kampala. Me that's Uganda because the dillo was not president of Kampala. The dillo was the president of Uganda. So when it is your duty to fight and make sure you get that money. Can you be a better America? You can look at media. Oh, Koromo. You balo chawa. Pay look my doom and procedure. Chene, beyond me, my chorny, my team, you know. So chamo kena down now ampa lo ko ampa bela lo media kala do lo ke bar ko bro tamo enlighten because the demand has been that we want to understand how I've been breaking it like ngo mateka team I give everyone the state of address so that they come and join because omiro wariem chan because could be down of politicizing things campaign kono go work be campaign now campaigns okay but work for and work is still going to be there. And currently, I'm coming back. There's a big announcement which we're going to give soon. Yes, there are big things which are coming in. Soon, Madam, work has come to stay. work is going to be there, work is going nowhere. Because there are a lot of partners we are getting globally who are coming to support work. MasterCard Foundation, they already have around $10 million. A gentleman we have been meeting, he's in Netherlands, but they have given the money to funds to support the creative industry. Give me studio equipment, about creative arts, gym, one take a team, because we have Jumokena Timothy Diero, we have youth, they are making bricks, they are doing this, getting very innovative.
Yes,
so Jumokena Timothy teaching. MasterCard Foundation is going to give us around $1 million. In China making announcement, now no billion achieve. Why now? $1 million kind of a billion. So, no, me will be any do February in Mafuruka. But I know because of the campaign and the politics, the government thought money is maybe politics. So they paused the bid, but the money is going to come. That's why I think I look more down and my pay with the shares, my pay a saving. It can't Jimmy Mabejo. Pay what you need to look for what you want. You will start blaming us, but not only it's too late. But the thing is open. We are not refusing anyone. Anyone is aware. Anyone can come and get that money so that you can empower your business. But you have to be an active member. You have to save. That's how a circle operates. So, in saving, because in saving, you have to be saving in the chain. And mirror our creative industry, the importance of saving money. Once you save money, the money will save you. The money will save you tomorrow.
Yes, we con wa chere keta chene wa billion a chile gwa kipo kere.
Oh yes, now kete winya wachini. Chiente do be in one pool. So the member mati pool in any benefiting. It in another way. Chiente don't be in family. No, Chiente don't be in a family. Beru chalo you are dead of the family in it yaga. In it is there are channel that any poor dang amount of work no. One huge family because one young ourselves. The members are not because the money was restricted even for the members. The minister said so no, make sure not a pay member, don't even bother wasting your time. That's why I don't have time to talk to non-members. That's why we are live on my TikTok as Badman Solo, and we are live on the Work Creative Arts TikTok. YouTube channel, Maggie Makoni, we try to Jimmy Malo, we're down on Nan, Ginyang, exactly, from this horse, pay win low at what office make one project at Dangata made. Offices make what year plot 13B, office matic woman, our administrators are there, secretaries, they are giving me information. What the constitution make where website URSB registered, you go and find out. No, because association weekend is governed by constitution. Man, check the pay the time mama because all accountability is still us who will have to give the accountability at the right time.
Yes,
it's in parliament.
Kondong wanyang kit madong anaramugamu kede chenne sako.
Yes, in commercial, in each one they work.
Achone work.
You will shares.
Food power.
Shares. Now, Chone child member, to me ID, the chilling a little park. Then guy Chone child member, in Chone me bill a shareholder. Our shares are only 50,000 Ugandan shillings each year, but we say to become a full complete member, have a minimum of 2 shares. Not only me a share. Can America is 130. Those are the minimum qualifications right now for you to now get access and you start saving. Money every week for us you can save and you don't give money to any individual because now we have our system in place. Direct bank and our bank is PAL Bank. Muno Yankee when post bank. Each year both agent you can pay actually through mobile money. It reflects direct in the system. Because we have our Wendy system, my Jimmy Wang built a database. Car was saving every week because we look at also the consistency. But we don't regulate. They took million. No, it depends on your reach within your means. No, the minimum amount of a beach. We are not more can afford it. Carry our uncle by Mansolo, cannot live a beach in a week. I share a carol. New consistency every week, any day of the week from Monday to Monday. Can merit the chamber can no. Tiene no, Diricari no, Chiandere no, Cherry, because Tiene will be saving in the benefits do a maka in Chone war, no. Kai Carme, Perwe Carme, could wow repeatedly. Recently, Administrator of Megwachalo, Badir Chankara David, who losing their neck. It was in an accident, but immediately we had to mobilize and we contributed money about over 1.2 million shillings. With the two drone cars, we went there, we paid we were making sure this year to my bear, we are not resting in peace. And right now, it's very grateful. We have other grow inputs, Matie, Chalo, Koda Nyogi, taking coffee. We have been giving to our members. They have been picking to go because even one Chalo Malame Uganda, Western sub-region, families went talk to the mom. Now, Koro Erchu and Indicator Danga, maybe how Koro, Cherry Queen or Nana, and Mega Becha, where the damn take a food. A team of a cherry farm, I'm making sure, and I know it here. Season no carni, one no, and you go okay, and you get your office remember what you want, and me strictly a member. So those are the benefits. Me no free of charge. They are there, the bags are people got like 50 kilograms packed in 10 kilograms. Because we are partnering with Operational Wealth Creation. But they are supporting us. I go increase my pool at more meal about our members. But one point you're kadanga, take in your office in no. Now I'll give me the bill for a period of time. Can you win the money clear you respond as a member? So those are the benefits you are getting. And besides that, if you are an active member of work, there are a lot of activities which are coming. Because right now, work partnered with Ministry of Gender, we launched a festival called Uganda One. Uganda One, when you want Uganda, Uganda Uganda peda opoke. Because you know, give me the Uganda bit negi, well, give my local level to us. It didn't know, get a level on dominating. But one poor year, Benajala actually, poor year, Jala Lang, poor year, Jala Karamoja, poor year, Jala One West Night. Because Uganda did one way. We are watching Uganda one already partnering. I'm in the committee, the national organizing committee, and I am in charge with the creative industry, the whole of Uganda. Penikono works abroad. I in the past, which came, I'm the one who makes sure we booked our critics from all over Uganda. Kono Lumiel, Tekwaro, Kono Luwe, Kono Joabia displaying for visual arts, film, when Mao Beruti Kololo. I'm the one who have the privilege. Maka don't want down what it works about. Why don't you take on this? And we make sure our active members, and I get to we are for us, everyone is a superstar. Look, me, mama, look, a social superstar. No, Dana went to give one at you. Dana went at you. Look, Baba, any miracle, you're coroning a Roman superstar, corner in your superstar. No, we are one. Look, a superstar, look, Baba, my poor, we one low industry, make one. You didn't know because one wing, one at you. Narumen wa eti superstar were now we mo material marketing beyond down child walk to Uganda we are mutembe kichar guwero for balancing members of mokana cha tempro mona okero daw digila mona gi masalo kero ligwa kikiri andongo kuya we balanced it up and people went Kampala kuja obero kisindi West Nile obero ki MC Gray gi obero ki lao kuja down child guwero lumiel kwaro makany even the security I made sure it was balanced for bouncers Maki Aki Northern Uganda Bouncers Association I'm a big Mike Eloy wigi they went there and represented very well Kidong Sil team bouncers we made sure bouncers make Maki register to work this year Maki Chiar the champion there and people won't pay because they work very professionally Madako Levi down Kampala because they were very smart and very organized na chicken ane yo ni kara da organize man mangi wan non kara me o 80 kijume ko mala me Uganda because kinera kera jo ro ke smart and the rest are now the bigger opportunities are still coming for us so you can see how the benefits are coming but it comes to strictly active members you know any trying to work better more no are you attending the activity every Tuesday we have our jam session and starting from tomorrow the Tuesday you will find every Tuesday we are live. We are not because there are people, there are partners who are following our social media handles and they are following seeing the activities we are doing. The jump session, we are trying to uplift the talent. Jumukene who want to sing, Jumukene who want to do farming, Jumukene who want to do what, who are creative, they can make baskets, Jumukene because we have people, we have a member actually, you will even Chokes, very innovative member. Chokes, Mama, Maggie and enemy. Market choyo kere schools kumetika supply all bookshops don't pay wele chok ke Kampala you watch a boom wele yo tika millionaire cha we are supporting and we have funders from USA who supported this project giving 50 million shillings because of what it's doing so you can see how work is opening doors for a lot of people and this Uganda one which I've talked of is going to be annual that was just a launch now we'll be moving to different regions in any way but one air is below one make work because I kind of air city. Now in July we have already big partners on board. Tell Uganda Tourism Board. Maji mo na ka wa explore Uganda na kilo yan duma Kampala ke kaya lo ka kaya wa mero ke na ni ga bi mo ni ke but ini kimir da na maga wa awa charum bala awa charum bala all the regions then the big one don timedon ikololo no Kampala mo wa no what headline ja when we makanya gi charu ka wezi gi Kampala but this time why we're going to headline and we have started we have already started and we are going to move forward irrespective of kitanga mo kan belong kere ini ni lo mai gwa mo ko bi ye ngor mo bor wa so chalo wo dugo la futi pulo na to mo kan ma mero bieno is free to come and join.
Yes, wanero work gitika sponsoring shows ma chiel matika biano upcoming show matika biano in northern Uganda meno show pa wilo ano the point of the members me work kike benefiting out of you paying ni yan wanero una yo tichalo sponsor
ti yo mapol ma benefits very ye complementary tickets even make sure no bolo member wa mageti active mageti ka service ikere very VIP table kili gwero ngo nyama ekuri no watika community no we because pera da pro kai no cha me lo bere twini bere yong is okay. Those are the members who will benefit. We have seen a lot of artists from the Worksop region. They are there performing. We have people like Tempo Mona. We have people like people everyone. They are all in the Worksop region who are going to perform for us. So there are a lot of benefits. There are bloggers who are registered who are active. They are not who are saving. Now you see if you are saving, you will be getting the business. You have seen people like you do this, they are busy making money. Yes, those are paid, they are doing it for free. So those are the benefits which are coming. And now this one immediately, we even have a cultural center which we are going to launch. And then this one is not besides work, but work is partnering also with them. Market want to do cultural center. We may have officially like in around May. One of official opening, but when Ben pay on it will be hard for you to benefit because we start with our people. We start with our members who are active. I'm a Kuberjomatica teaching from political members who are registered with us. Members, man, get out in painting, go child, cultural, what we give the business to our members. So it's important if you are our member to benefit. So that is what is happening.
Okay. Badman solo nying in kagelone Badman solo. Yeo pin mater to twine. Badman solo ni kare ma no foot you money kata ki idea to work no foot kata kara ni ubero long mater to twine. Pay you ma be to twine bene bad bene kiro kene you ma be bene. Joke bene say to kene joke bene say to kene. So Luodi wuma yene lo chicket ke kilo. Then gen gucha association mukene. Tama ngoma iniramo miu. Yen machale don twinyu pie wadon. Wok don kio chungo. Badman solo to chairman. So tama ngoma inikeli we mecha but umegi ni magem go bare yo achel chiko gucha association mamegi ma nye gelone gama but one man food with actually
Now, I'm pulling a mar look. Give me more concern on a price. But I'm kind of paying your beyond where I get me look a bit carry. Actually, Gamma Makil one great actually musician association. Who era before work? Penny were after work. It has been there and me personally as Badman. So I'm a member of Great Actually Musician Association. You didn't know? Yes, I have a membership there. We are the ones who put, you see, actually we appointed Laximu as a president. We made him the president of the Great Actually Musician Association. But of course, once something is moving, TJ Mugo maybe which didn't go right, because people have different ideas. Because one Chalan Badman solo greater actually musician. It is musician association. That is for musicians. Me, I'm not a musician. You get the point. See, I know any time I have a bar can make money because I'm married down away in the country industry benefiting. What you won't win, you didn't anyway. And I won't get a bull who new team member, greater actually no be bull bola, chalo won, you know the palo way. Tell me you have benefited there as you. Unless they call you when there's a press conference and they pay, which happens to everyone. I got a press conference, I don't say, quality government pay gamma. every member of Gama by default, they are in the domain, Matilumoni music. A chill may work. In any way. Work is something very big. Cow to a layman's very chala, whatever and we love and come work. Now, Gama, the association, Maberu Chalo, I don't know, like Gulu district. Iwilobo, Mero kama position Magama. Not even Africa, but Gulu district because it's a